SureCall is out with a new cellular booster, the Fusion2Go XR. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. SureCall is one of the stalwarts of the cellular booster industry. They've been around almost as long as there have been cellular networks. They have a variety of products for mobile use as well as buildings and other applications. They're out with a new booster unit called the Fusion2Go XR, and initially they only have one antenna kit for it, which is designed for vehicles. It includes a magnetic mount antenna for the roof and an interior antenna for the vehicle, plus a power supply that plugs into a 12-volt cigarette lighter style power supply. This booster retails for $549. Now, SureCall does have approval to use several different types of antennas with this new booster, so we do expect that there will be more antenna kits coming out for this booster. Now, as far as the specifications go, they're very similar to the other boosters that SureCall offers, and it operates pretty much at the peak of what the FCC allows as far as the performance for a mobile booster. Now, as far as whether you need a cellular booster, we would encourage you before investing in a cellular booster to check out our booster guide and our other booster content on our website to see if that is right for you. In 2024, boosters are not necessary for a lot of people who are nomads who are looking for a mobile home internet replacement on the road, and they're not as necessary as they used to be. So before investing that money, we really encourage you to do your research and make sure that a booster is right for your mobile connectivity needs. So what do you think of mobile boosters in general? Are they essential to your connectivity? Do you use one, and how often? Leave a comment below and tell us what you think of boosters. If you have a SureCall, tell us what you think of SureCall's products and this new design that's come out. And if you're one of our members, you can check out more information on our website in our member section. And for those who aren't members, please check out our membership program where you can get more detailed information on boosters and all topics mobile internet related. So we appreciate you watching, stay connected, and we'll see you next time.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.